Hello and welcome back to my political news. The People's Democratic Party presidential candidate for 2023 general election, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, is in Hadeja, Jigawa state, where he donated 50 million naira to the flood victim. Nigerians, so now don't they see all the better thing with this our president Alhaji Atiku Abubakar they do. Now be say when he really become our president, he go do more, make Nigeria better and make things work for everybody for prosperity. Mona, don't forget to share this video, comment, like, and share. My name still remain Her Excellency of the Federal Republic of Mark Kingdom, Tahila the Great. Keep watching.
You are welcome.